Welcome back to M3 Vlogs. I am here with my 6-year-old JC, and we are doing the werewolf look on him. I said earlier that I would do the look on him and on the vlog that you see from earlier today. Really, it'll be tomorrow, or really it'll be yesterday because this vlog will go up tomorrow. So, we are outlining his face in the silver. And we done covered his eyes. He looks kind of scary, but he's starting to look cute. So now I am going to be painting his nose. Going to be doing his nose. And getting him a little bit of scruffy nose here. He looks so cute. Alright, ready? Okay. So cute. You look like such a cute little puppy. He's letting me turn him into a wolf. Halloween makeup, right, buddy?
Yep.
Give him some scruff on his nose. He's gonna look so cute. I'm gonna bring this down to his upper part of his nose. Does it tickle?
No.
No, it doesn't tickle.
On my eyes, yes.
On your eyes? Okay. And then we're gonna go in with my brush here. And with the white.
The top of my nose?
I'm not done yet. Come here, let me get the right here on the edge of your nose. We're gonna get that and we're gonna make that white. That way you actually look like a little puppy. A wolf puppy. He's over making faces. Can you turn your head that way for me so I can get... No, the other way so I can get the other side of your nose. You look so cute. Alright, now I'm going to take some more black. Okay, come here, baby. Come here, come here, come here. You're so cute. Okay, and then we're going to go down. Can you draw your mouth? Your mouth is a little, like, just draw your upper lip. Your lip.
This one?
Mm-hmm. Okay, come here. You scoot over this way for me? Okay. Let's see here. Okay, let me see your lips. He's gonna look like my little puppy. That looks so cute. Aren't you?
Mm-hmm.
Uh-huh. You look so cute. Don't worry, we will clean him up. He won't look too bad. We'll clean him up afterwards. He just had a bath and got a haircut not that long ago, so. But we will clean him up. He was excited to do this one, weren't you, buddy?
Mm-hmm.
Uh-huh.
A haircut first.
Mm-hmm. Come here. Let me finish your mustache here. Now you're starting to look like Gomez. The tickle? Alright, now I'm going to go back in with this one. With the brush I was using for the white. And get a little bit of dark on it. And I'm just going to touch up and give you some more scruff on your face, okay?
Okay.
Now you look a little more scruffy. Okay. Look a little more.
Are you gonna do a whole over my face?
Yep. Make you look like a fur baby. He's so cute, though. This little guy will be the thumbnail, so you guys will get to see
How good it look.
how cute he looks. He looks like our puppy dog, Chief. Give him some furry eyes. He's enjoying this, aren't you? Are you having fun being turned into a doggy?
It's been 5 minutes.
Yeah, I know. It's okay. We're just using my smoky palette. We're just using eyeshadow. So there's no paint going on his face. It's all just eyeshadow. And right now I'm just trying to fill in the fur. Okay, come here. Can I get the other side of your face? This side over here. Let's see here. You look so cute.
Are you gonna do the top of my chin?
Yeah, I might come back in with some dark and fill it in, make you look more like a puppy.
Ow, bite it.
When you get done, you have to growl. I think you'll scare Chief today. Usually it's Sissy scaring Chief, but... Can I see the other side of your face, baby? Thank you. When you get this done, then you can play in the mirror all you want to. He's having fun playing in my little mirror. Uh-oh, I hear Chiefy at the door. He's wondering what kind of doggy's in his house. He's like, oh no, what kind of doggy's in my house, huh? I'm not done. Let me finish that side over there. Alright, kid. I think he's waiting on you at the door. He's waiting on you, waiting on you, waiting on you. Let's see. A little bit more. You're almost done with this side, okay? Almost done, little buddy. Gonna make you look furry. Yeah, a little bit of fur here. A little bit of fur here. A little bit of fur here. Yeah, let's get you a little bit more fur on your chin. Ready? Don't you look so cute? This little boy is just the cutest. Alright. Look how cute. Like I said, this is just eyeshadow, so it'll come right off. No paint, no fuss, no... What do you think?
I look like a gray cat.
You look like a what?
A gray cat.
A cat? But you don't have the ears of a cat. You look like a fluffy wolf without the ears. You can probably buy some cat ears and make them look like a wolf ears, or... Okay, here, let's darken up your nose a little bit more, and then you can show them what you look like. Okay.
The top of my nose?
Give you a little bit, yeah, a little bit more of a black nose. Dogs have black noses.
Chief has a black nose.
Chief has a black nose. Okay, now you want to show them what you look like? This is our finished product for our werewolf. No, here. He thinks he's going to scare his daddy. Over here, come over here and show them. Show the camera. And this is our little wolf. And if you want to, you could make some ears with some felts. Or you could buy some ears, or however you wanted to do. But I thought it looked so cute because it does look like he's got a little black nose and little black lips, and he's just so cute. It looks like he's got fur. Let me see if I can get you closer to him. There you go, buddy. You look furry. You want to go show Daddy? And then I'll do my thumbnail, and then we will clean you up. So we made it quick because for some reason my iPad stopped recording. So I am going to upload this vlog. It shouldn't take long. It shouldn't take long to edit. There ain't really much editing because, you know, I prefer to be uncut. I prefer y'all to see the real deal. That's what I did earlier, you know. My house isn't perfect. My family's not perfect. We're just normal, crazy people, you know. I'm totally proud with that. You know, I'm proud of my kids. I'm proud of how well they are, how well they do. They get complimented really well yesterday because they were the only kids that weren't throwing a fit, getting flu shots. So, they were the only kids. They didn't cry. And they all lined up. It was oldest to youngest. And that nurse was in there. And she was 1, 2, 3, 4. And it was done. And she was so excited with how well my kids behaved. Not a cry, not a tear, not a whimper. Nothing. So, what do you say? You say he looks scary?
Yeah. Christmas said that, and Blaine said they look ugly.
Oh, Brantley's just mean. Brantley's just jealous. He didn't get to be turned into a dog. I'll turn him into a warthog later.
And Michael said, you look scary.
You look scary?
And Sis said that.
So, we hope you guys have a great day. And we will see you guys. What should they do if they want to watch your videos? Should they like this video?
Yep.
What else should they do?
Subscribe.
Subscribe and turn on the post notifications so that way you are notified every time we upload a new video. Right? I am planning on we're going to do our pumpkin carving on Saturday, right?
Yeah.
We're going to do pumpkin carving on Saturday, so you'll get to see that. We'll see what other, you know, looks we can come up with between now and then. Maybe we can turn him into Bat Boy or something. So, we hope you guys have a good night. Can you wave?
Bye.
Bye.